What's up YouTube? Thanks for watching and thanks for coming back. You're looking at a busted aluminum drive shaft off of Zr2 that was claimed by the Rubicon Trail. This hybrid video started as an install guide for the steel Chevrolet Performance drive shaft, but Ryan from Zr2 on 37s hooked it up with this footage from Rubicon and a thorough damage report to show you what your stock Zr2 needs to finish the Rubicon Trail.
Roll it.
Look what happened.
Give it a roll bit this way.
Aluminum drive shaft.
You can see his damaged bumper, but again, he gives you a better look at the end of the video, and I'll sprinkle in all the parts that you'll want if you're crazy enough to go alone on a trail like this like him.
These guys are awesome.
Lands a hammer. Or if we can get this out of here though.
Luckily for him, some strangers pulled over to help him and fashion this stint. Just for reference, he's running 37-inch tires, so your results will vary.
All right, my hero came. Jesse with his rig. Brought the new drive shaft. This is the one we pieced together. Oh man, I owe this guy big time. Anyway, sun's still up. We're gonna go back the way I came. So I'm not gonna do the full Rubicon. Didn't work out, guys, but at least I made a lot of work. We got to the lake.
So I'm all ready to go. I'm gonna take out the stock drive shaft, the aluminum one, which has been fine, by the way. I haven't seen any problems with it. A few trucks have had problems, but it seems to always be driver error. It's a nice upgrade to have though. Here's the new one. Just like I said, in case I mess up and snip off a rock and crack the aluminum one, this one will take more abuse, but the stock one's been fine, really. Just more of an insurance policy than anything else. But before I take off the stock one, I gotta take off this skid plate right here from AV. All right. And this is a one-man job, I think. It's pretty simple, but Hector's on his way over and he's gonna help us out. It's just these 4 bolts. Uh-oh. Yeah, make sure your pipe's not hot for this too. By the way, these skid plates too, they fit Colorado models, the GMC, everything, so. All right. Maybe I can't multitask. Wow, look at all that crap that fell out. Yeah, that's that big mark right there. So this is all just sandblasted and just rocks getting thrown at it. So I'll pin it up again just so next time I gotta take it off, you guys can see the abuse it took. So
you're supposed to like mark it here, like this?
I don't know, dude.
Yeah, I don't know where else you.
The instructions say to mark the yoke. Besides that, we have it on jacks in the rear only because Ryan gave me the tip to park downhill to limit the possibility of anything leaking when you remove the shaft.
So one of my pinzas perras.
Also, per GM instructions, you're supposed to remove these 2 seals, but you can skip that part because it wasn't needed.
And then on this side, huh? And then just these, huh?
Yeah.
All right, what size are you? God, I hate new tools. But yeah, I've seen people do it on trails. Dude, it can't be that hard.
Indoor rainy day install, so sorry for the buzzing of the lights and the terrible lighting. It's just removing 4 bolts basically. There really isn't a wrong way to do this, so definitely apply your install money towards the cost of the parts on this one.
Oh, I get what they wanted us to mark now. But like once this is off, just to make sure this doesn't rotate while the new one gets in place. So I think so. Just all the gears are linked up again. But I don't see how they would get out, right? I mean, who knows? Who cares?
So they only say to mark that one?
Yeah, but yeah, I still don't see why though. All right, let's see what happens. Does it come out? It's got to hit outward, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, this way?
Yeah, I think. Yeah, but I don't know how to get it out without banging it. Let me see.
It shouldn't be like much, right?
It's just basically whatever this lip is, that's what I got to get it out. But does this have the room for that? Yeah, it's got play right here. Well, yeah, it's got play because when the axle goes up and down. Yeah. So I'll take it easy, huh? Here, where's the instructions are right here. It's like 2 pages of instructions.
So shaft?
Yeah.
Remove.
Basically, yeah. I think it just doesn't want to be beat on. I'm not sure this bar will work. I got it.
This is exactly what not.
It said that?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Did not use any kind of tool or anything to do that.
Yeah, but how do you take it out then?
Well, I didn't get that far.
I didn't damage anything. So no tools? They really want you to take this out with no tools?
Yeah.
Oh man, this thing's light. Oh shit, I should have a rag ready, huh?
Okay.
Hold on. I don't know. I did exactly what they said not to do. It's the way it goes, man. Let's go swing down. Nope, nothing, we're good. I want to weigh this thing. The new one's like 25 pounds. Damn, this thing's light. I can throw it to you, really. I mean, it's not safe, so. All right? I think it'd be way heavier than that. It's a drive shaft, dude. Like, what the hell? Damn, 9 pounds lighter. Yeah, look at the dings. That's from rocks getting thrown up, huh? Yeah, I don't think I messed it up yet.
This is good.
That's in good shape. No, I still got the sticker all the way around.
Yeah.
All right, where's the new one? Here we go. Yeah, and this thing doesn't say lube anything up. It just says slide it right in. It's got teeth. So I gotta make sure it goes in right. This one doesn't have any counterweight, huh? And then this hardware. Just grab your shaft and slide in there, huh? Yeah. Right.
Make sure not to bang it though.
Alright, so this will have to go like this a huevo, huh?
Yeah. Put the other side in first, huh?
I know. I just don't want to end up in a position, because this one has like 1,000 teeth on it.
Oh, okay.
So I don't want to end up in a position where this goes in and then I can't rotate into place. Yeah, see, I'm out of line right there. There we go. Perfect.
Yeah. Cool.
Does it say to bang it in?
It says yeah.
That's it. Wait, do you have to rotate it? These don't fit. Are they longer than, how do I take the other ones off? Then I gotta start from the bottom and then rotate it. Oh, the shaft design is different. Yeah, the screw, it won't go in here because it's bent upward. On the bottom it can. Yeah, because they barely go in on the bottom. Can it rotate? Do I gotta
Turn the wheel.
do I gotta put it in neutral or just the brakes? Neutral should be good, huh?
You can lift the front, no?
Yeah, but you don't think neutral's better? It's not in 4.
Oh, yeah. I forgot you're
It's not an Audi, fool. So put it in neutral?
Yeah.
You sure?
Oh,
You might not want to be under it, dude. Dude, I could roll fast enough. Barely. All right. Don't kill me, truck. All right. So rotate it to the bottom. There we go. All right, we're good. I should have. The instruction said that. Fool, didn't you read them?
That's the beginning where it says not to do something.
Well, we're still gonna be under there. Safety first. Fool. Damn, I didn't want to believe that it was gonna be this easy. Oh, what a pendejo. Is that factory Loctite?
Yeah.
So I'm just being stupid here, huh?
Double D.
And then if I get you, sure. Why not, huh? I got it,
I'm
huh?
not gonna hurt anybody.
Oh.
Definitely says don't get on your skin too.
Does it a Loctite, really?
Oh, yeah.
Cool. What's it do?
Nothing.
They also say don't eat Elmer's paste, but
Yeah. Well, it's evident, I think.
no side effect. They should make it so yummy. Yeah, like Play-Doh too. Like, what kid doesn't know it's salty? Yeah.
Still.
Yeah. What did the instructions say about that?
Say not to scratch it.
Is it not to scratch it? Man, this cheap ass. What is this? Don't buy these. Power torque?
Yeah, I don't even know where you get that.
Yeah, tightening these is the hardest part. Ow! Oh yeah, you definitely want the muffler cold for this. I'm resting all over it. Yeah, oh, now I gotta put the skid plate back on.
So wrapping up install, the drive shaft doesn't hinder performance even though it's heavier. If you can change an air filter, you can do this install. So let's get back to Zr2 137's Rubicon Trail damage report so we can show you what could have helped them out there.
Alright, I'm at the dealership and we're doing a damage assessment. I'm also getting new tires put on. So Ryan is unbolting them and we're going to do a little damage assessment. So obviously I smashed this. What took the most damage the whole time was the trailer hitch here. I definitely smashed up my bumpers. Bumpers are definitely screwed up. Let's see what else. Thank God for the shock mount protectors here. Rear diff. Obviously, I broke my drive shaft. You can see it right here. The old drive shaft took a beating. This guy took a beating. Look at this thing. Oh, this thing got screwed up. This right here took a beating. Obviously, it's a little bent up. All right, so what else do we have? The frame sliders took an absolute beating. These things are destroyed. Right? Other side is just the same. Now what else do we have? Scratches on the frame all the way down. Luckily nothing got too seriously damaged. The craziest one, I think this is the one where this is where I broke my drive shaft. I also scratched my gas tank. So those gas tank skids are definitely needed. Now, the serious stuff, I actually bent my frame a little bit right there. The body mount right here, right there. That's the not so good part of what I just did. Or is it right here? This is it. This is my differential right here. The stub shaft coming through. This seal pinched through and I've lost a lot of oil. It's all kind of sprayed all the way back. So that's not good. What else? My A-arms took a beating for sure. Smashed in.
Sorry to interrupt. If you remove your first and second skid plate and have trouble remounting them, it's because this mounting system. Be prepared to decompress this with a crowbar so both skid plates can meet there. It's a weak point by design, so be forgiving when you bottom out.
Smashed in this thing. Thank God it was there to protect my frame. And this got bent right here. So there's the damage. Did a lot of scraping. I would say what took the most damage, well, there's another one right here. What took the most damage was just behind the wheels right here. I would go up on a big rock and then smash down immediately onto the frame or the sliders. And that's what took most of the damage. After that, obviously, my drive shaft, but that was only because I slipped off of my tire, off of a rock, onto another rock, and it was just perfectly laid out right there to break my drive shaft. Number one purchase, if you have any kind of Colorado, I would say get a steel drive shaft. That is, I should have done that right when I got the truck. But that's the damage assessment. Sliding rocks all across my frame.
He's on stock suspension but running 37s for clearance with tons of trimming. A gas Zr2 can make use of the Chevrolet Performance body lift for even more clearance on either Zr2 models. You can get the leveling kit with A-arms. Check out our install video for those if you're interested. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. I'll put links to everyone and everything in the description below. I hope we helped, and for now, keep building your truck, keep repairing it, keep upgrading it, and keep it dirty.